go.
Hey you guys, I know you're super excited to get started on your band training and achieving your impossible. And one of the ways to do that is with your resistance bands and the variable options that they afford you. So you'll see inside your kit, you probably saw these things and were wondering what in the world are they for? Well, that's what this video is to help you understand. So these are your door anchors, and what they're used for is attaching to the door hinge portion. So inside of it is some kind of round plastic marble kind of thing that's sewed together so it doesn't come out. And basically what that allows you to do is place this anchor at any portion of the door when you close it so that you can create different angles to do your exercises. I recommend personally using the hinges because that creates a visual reference for high, medium, and low, as well as this is the most stable and sturdy part of all doors. So you want to find a door that you can open and close securely so that when you put this in, it doesn't come out. So I'll show you what that looks like. So I go on this other side here, poking through like so. Close my door, make sure that I can latch it securely. And then you just take your resistance bands and feed it through, really easy. And then now you have your exercises, whatever you're doing, or just, reverse grip, pull downs, push downs, or your ab crunches, or anything that we programmed for you. You see how you can just simply put it up there. And if you're doing circuits, it's really cool. You have two of those in your kit. You can put one high, one low, so you can swap really quickly. You can put multiple bands through if you need to go heavier resistance. But basically, this just affords you a bunch of different exercises, so you don't need a bunch of different equipment. And we will show you in other videos how you can take advantage of the bars in Cambodia. They're not just there to keep security people in and out, they are also there for your resistance bands and your training. So we'll show you how to implement that and use those to your advantage in upcoming videos. So lift daily. See you next video. All right, so you've been through your kit, you've seen your bands, you're ready to get to work, but you're still curious as to what some of these other things are. This is a band cover that you have in there, it's Velcro, and basically you can just put the bands through this sleeve so that when you're doing exercises where you're standing on them, you can protect the bands from, let's just say you're on the beach and the gravel or the abrasions of the sand of the beach can eventually wear and tear on the rubber, or you could have something in your shoes that could wear and tear, and this can be machine washed, can get dirty, just like I did when I stepped on it. Protect your bands, it's perfectly okay. That's one way to keep them safe. And the other, here in the Kingdom of Wonder, a lot of the windows have bars on them, and they are not the most aesthetically pleasing, but they are great for resistance bands exercises. So you can use the strap again and feed your band through so that you don't have metal on rubber. So you can have it set up like that, which is great. Or if you need more room, you have the anywhere anchor strap, they call it. So this can also be used when you're outside, you can go around a tree or something like that, but we're going to show it here for the bar. So you have two options. You can just do it short like that, and then take the band and feed it through one loop, and then through the other loop, like so, and then do your exercises, right? Or if you need even more distance, or if it's a bigger, rounder object, which I'll even show with this demonstration real quick, right? Let's just pretend this is something really wide. So we'll go from around this one, all the way around this one, and then you would take the loop, feed it through itself, and then there you go. You have the exact same setup, one time, and same thing. So this can be set up obviously at different angles and heights for whatever your exercise needs are, but these are the best way to protect your bands long term. So like we mentioned in the band care video, you don't want to have rubber versus anything that's harder because it will eventually wear and tear on the band, and unfortunately that means the life of your band is shortened. So take care of your bands, use the band protective equipment that's in there, and lift daily, and we'll see you in the next video.